So let's start with the next sum of replacement. Previously we have done one sum on replacement, that is also important. You will go through that video. If you haven't yet watched that one, you must watch that one. You will get your concept clear from that. And this is also very important. So let's start with this. So here the dilute alcohol contains 8 liter of alcohol and the rest is water. That means a mixture is there where it is a mixture of water and alcohol, and the quantity of alcohol is 8 liter and total quantity is not set till now. A new mixture in which concentration of alcohol is 30% is formed by replacing dilute alcohol. That means what has been done, that mixture, from that mixture some quantity has been taken out. After that it is replaced by the pure alcohol, so that the alcohol percentage becomes 30%. So we have already learned that if you are taking out something from a mixture, then in that particular mixture the quantity of milk or water or alcohol and water, whatever it was there, it is not going to change. The proportion or the ratio will remain same if you take out something. But if you put in something, for example here you are adding pure alcohol, that time it will change. Means the ratio of water and alcohol is going to change. If you are adding something, if you are adding water, then also it will change. If you are adding alcohol, then also it will change. So if you are taking out, no change. If you are adding something, there is a change. This you should remember. Next, it is said, how many liters of mixture shall be replaced with pure alcohol if there was initially 32 liter of water in the mixture. So previously it was said that the mixture was of water and alcohol, and it was said in the first line that alcohol was 8 liter in the first mixture. So from this we can conclude that alcohol was 8 liter and here water is 32 liter. That means total mixture was 8 plus 32, that is 40 liter was the mixture. So now easily we can find out the percentage of alcohol. It was there in the previous mixture. So here 8 liter was alcohol out of 40 liter, that is total mixture, into 100. So if we cancel 0 and 0, 4 2s are 8, so we are getting 20%. Means 20% alcohol was there. Okay. Now we can apply mixture allegation, but this allegation we will apply after taking out of some quantity of the diluted alcohol in the first step. Because if you take out, no change, but if you give something, there is a change. So 20% means this is the percentage of alcohol after some quantity has been taken out. Means that time also 20% will be the alcohol. Now 100% alcohol is being added. If something is added, that will be pure. Means you are adding pure alcohol, that means it is 100% alcohol. So we are adding 100% alcohol. After that the quantity is becoming 30%, and this 30% is in the new mixture. So we can find out the ratio like this. So that will be 100 minus 30, that is 70, and here 30 minus 20, you are getting 10. Now you need to understand what is this ratio. So I have already said that we will work after we take out some quantity of mixture. That means this is the leftover after we have taken out some quantity of mixture, and this is 1. That means this one is whatever we have taken out, that only we are adding. So this one means which one we have taken out, that thing is only being added. So if we add this 2, that is what was left over after taking out, and we have replaced with the same, that is 1, we will get 8. That means this 8 represents 40 liter, that is the total quantity of the mixture which was there. So from here we can find out the value of 1, that is this one. So that will be 40 divided by 8. So what you are getting over here 5 liter. That means you can say that 5 liter of the mixture was taken out, and this 5 liter is only added by adding pure alcohol. So 5 liter of pure alcohol is being added in the previous mixture to get 30% of alcohol in the new mixture. So this is your final answer.